February 18th, 2021. February 18th, 2021, 9:11 p.m. February 18th, 2021, 9:11 p.m. This is a new song called The Dog of the Earth. Ha ha, yeah, 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 yeah. If you do not know how to pet the dog of the earth that blows in the wind through the trees of all regions, then I suggest thinking about a dog and trying to pet it. Think about what you and the dog are thinking. If you keep approaching the dog of the earth the wrong way, then how do you know how it's going to act? Are you going to change the wind and the trees? If you not grow fruits and vegetables in the ground, then who's going to think of you when they plant seeds? The dog of the earth blows through the trees like a breeze. The dog of the earth is always moving the earth around the earth, looking at you, looking at me. The dog of the earth blows through the trees like a breeze. The dog of the earth is always moving, looking at you, looking at me. If you do not have enough sense to pet a dog, then how do you fix your food? If you do not care about the wind and the trees, how do you eat what suits your mood? If you do not plant a seed in the ground and use your human rights, then how do you know you will always have the same quality of food when you sit down at night? If you do not plant a seed in the ground and use your human rights, then how do you know you will have the same quality of food when you sit down at night? The dog of the earth blows through the trees like a breeze. The dog of the earth is always moving around the earth, looking at you, looking at me. The dog of the earth blows through the trees like a breeze. The dog of the earth is always moving around the earth, looking at you, looking at me. If you do not go outside during the day, then how do you get your sunlight? If you do not base your calendar around the moon, then what are you going to do in the moonlight? If you do not have healthy traditions and habits, then what do you do with your life? If you trudge through the day, do you not think about the notes and the music you play? Do you just improvise? The dog of the earth blows like the breeze through the rest of the trees like a breeze. The dog of the earth is always moving around the earth, looking at you, looking at me. The dog of the earth blows like a breeze through the trees like a breeze. The dog of the earth is always moving around the earth, looking at you, looking at me. The dog of the earth blows through the trees like a breeze. The dog of the earth is always looking at you, moving around the earth, looking at you, looking at me. The dog of the earth blows through the trees like a breeze. The dog of the earth is always moving around the earth, looking at you, looking at me. Music CDs on sale, $5. Cotton seeds on sale, 3 for $5.